Tired of scrubbing wheels and still seeing caked-on brake dust? I researched 5 brake dust cleaners for wheels by analyzing real user experiences and filtering the ones that actually dissolve grime without heavy agitation. What I found about pH-safe formulas will prevent you from damaging your expensive finishes. Let's dive in. Starting off at number 5, this one earns its spot for those who prioritize safety over brute force. We've got the Chemical Guy's Diablo Wheel Cleaner Spray. If you've ever worried about damaging expensive finishes with harsh chemicals, this addresses that concern directly. The pH-balanced, non-acidic formula is what users who've tried it highlight most. It's safe on chrome, aluminum, painted, and powder-coated wheels without the risk of etching or dulling. The gel-like consistency matters. Clings to vertical surfaces instead of running straight down. That gives the formula time to break down brake dust and road grime before you rinse. According to reviews from people with months of use, the oxygen-infused foam lifts contaminants effectively with light brush agitation. A detail that comes up repeatedly in opinions is the scent. Unlike many wheel cleaners that smell like a chemical plant, this one has a mild citrus profile. For weekly wash routines, that's a bigger deal than you'd think. There's a review that sums it up well. Someone used it on their Porsche's alloy wheels and got quick results with minimal effort. That speaks to real-world performance. Now, here's what you need to keep in mind. This is not a touchless cleaner you will need to scrub. One user put it bluntly, any product claiming you don't have to scrub is setting you up for disappointment. Diablo makes the job easier, but expect some elbow grease. The other limitation is caked-on buildup. Analyzing the specs and real feel, this shines for routine maintenance on wheels you clean regularly. For years of neglected brake dust, you'll need something more aggressive or multiple applications. One more thing. Several reviews mention the spray nozzle streams instead of mists. It can lead to uneven application and some product. Not a deal breaker, but worth knowing. The 2-pack format helps stretch your dollar, especially when you dilute it 4-to-1 with water for lighter job. For the enthusiast who washes weekly and wants a safe, clear coat-friendly option without toxic fumes, this delivers consistent results. The link is in the description. Moving on to number 4. There's an interesting pattern in reviews for this one that stood out during research. We've got the Chemical Guy's Wheel Cleaner Spray. If you've ever struggled with brake dust that regular car soap just won't touch, this citrus-based formula addresses that directly. It's built for the road grime and oxidation that accumulates after weeks of daily driving. A detail that comes up repeatedly in opinions is the versatility. According to reviews from people with months of use, this handles wheels, tires, brake calipers, and even suspension components. One bottle covering multiple jobs means better cost per application. The foaming action is key here. It clings to vertical wheel surfaces instead of dripping off immediately. That extra dwell time lets the formula break down grime before you agitate or rinse. Painted, powder-coated, anodized, or chrome finishes, users confirm it's clear coat safe with no etching issues reported. There's a review that says it all. Someone used this on 23-year-old truck wheels that hadn't been properly cleaned in over a decade. Caked, brake dust, mud, years of neglect. After scrubbing with this cleaner, they look like new again. Now, here's what you need to keep in mind. For heavy, stubborn buildup, you'll still need a brush and some elbow grease. This isn't a pure spray and rinse solution on neglected wheels. A few users also mention the spray nozzle feels cheap and can leak occasionally. What users who've tried it highlight most is the scent, pleasant citrus instead of harsh chemical fumes that clear out the garage. Plus, it dilutes up to 8-to-1 for lighter maintenance wash, stretching the bottle further. For someone doing weekly upkeep or tackling moderate brake, this delivers solid cleaning power without damaging finishing. It won't replace dedicated iron removers for extreme cases, but for regular maintenance with a focus on value, it's a reliable work. The link is in the description. Moving on to number 3. This one stands out for a reason that matters to anyone doing regular wheel maintenance. We've got Adam's Wheel and Tire Cleaner in the gallon side. A detail that comes up repeatedly in opinions is the dilution flexibility. Users report mixing this anywhere from 50-50 for heavy buildup to 1-to-10 with distilled water for routine washing. One EV owner mentioned the light brake dust on their vehicle lets them stretch a gallon for months at higher dilution. That versatility directly impacts your cost per wash. According to reviews from people with months of use, the formula tackles 3 problems at once. Brake dust, tire browning, and old tire dressings all lift off after letting it dwell for about 30 seconds to a couple minutes. One truck owner who hadn't properly cleaned their wheels in years said they were genuinely surprised at how much came off in a single application using just a soft brush. What users who've tried it highlight most is the finish safety. The formula works on painted, powder-coated, chrome, and alloy wheels without dulling or damage. That peace of mind matters when you're protecting expensive aftermarket rims. Now, here's what you need to keep in mind. The smell is strong. Multiple reviews mention it's pungent enough that you'll want to work outdoors or consider covering your nose. It's not grape-scented despite the purple color. Also, the included spray trigger doesn't hold up well over time. The workaround most people use is transferring the product into a dedicated foam pump or IK foamer. One more honest point. Some agitation is still required for caked-on break. It's not a completely touchless solution, but it does reduce scrubbing time significantly compared to regular dish soap or all-purpose cleaner. For anyone looking to stretch their detailing budget while still getting serious cleaning power, the gallon format offers solid bang for your buck. The link is in the description.
These products are great, but there are hundreds of deals every day, and most of them are trash. That's why I pick the 5 best from each category every day and post them for free on Telegram. And you can choose only the categories that interest you with zero spam. Link in the description.
Moving on to number 2. This one kept showing up in detailing forums and Reddit threads during my research. We've got the Griot's Garage Heavy Duty Wheel Cleaner. There's an interesting pattern in review. Users who've dealt with notoriously dusty brakes, like those on German performance vehicles, consistently report this formula handles heavy buildup without excessive scrubbing. The pH-balanced, non-acidic composition means it's safe on painted, chromed, powder-coated, and anodized finish. That versatility matters if you've got multiple vehicles or plan to switch rims down the road. The color-changing technology is the standout feature here. As the formula interacts with iron particles, it shifts to a deep purple or reddish tone. You can literally see it working. According to reviews from people with months of use, that visual feedback helps you know exactly which spots need extra attention. A detail that comes up repeatedly in opinions is the scent. Unlike typical iron removers that smell like rotten eggs, users describe this one as almost pleasant. Someone's wife called it strawberry. Might sound trivial, but if you're doing weekly maintenance in a closed garage, that matters. Now, here's what you need to keep in mind. The recommended dwell time is 3 to 5 minutes. That's longer than some alternatives. And for really caked-on dust sitting for months, you'll still need a wheel brush. This isn't a miracle spray and rinse solution for neglected wheels. One user summed it up well. They'd tried almost every wheel cleaner on the market and finally found success on difficult deep dish spokes they'd struggled with for years. The spray trigger on the standard bottle gets mixed feedback. A few users reported it failing after limited use. If you're buying in bulk, transferring to a quality spray bottle seems to be the move experienced detailers recommend. For anyone prioritizing a clear coat safe formula with solid cleaning power and a tolerable scent profile, this delivers consistent results. The link is in the description. Before we reveal our number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the freshest deals on each of these items. And finally, number 1. After analyzing specs and real feedback across all these options, this one consistently delivers on what matters most: cleaning power without wheel damage. We've got the Turtle Wax All-Wheel Cleaner Iron Remover. A detail that comes up repeatedly in opinions is that color-changing technology. You spray it on, and within minutes it turns from clear to purple as it reacts with embedded iron particles. According to reviews from people with months of use, that visual confirmation actually helps you know which areas need extra attention. The pH-neutral, acid-free formula is the key spec. That means you can safely use it on alloy, chrome, polished metal, and painted wheels without worrying about etching your finish. Clear coat safe is crucial when you're dealing with expensive rims. One user with performance brake pads on a BMW summed it up well. The OEM pads dust heavily, and this cleaner tackles caked-on buildup that standard soap simply cannot touch. Spray, wait 3 minutes, light agitation with a wheel brush, rinse. Done. Here's the thing to keep in mind. If your wheel barrels are heavily neglected, you'll burn through product quickly on that first deep clean. But several users report that once you've done that initial session, maintenance becomes much easier. Some folks clean their wheels just 3 to 4 times per year after that. What users who've tried it highlight most is the minimal scrubbing required for regular maintenance. Many even skip the brush entirely and just spray and rinse between deeper cleanse. The obvious question is about the smell. Iron removers are notorious for that chemical load. The feedback is mixed. Some users report a strong scent while others say it's actually pleasant. Turtle Wax claims a scent neutralizer, but your sensitivity may vary. For someone wanting solid cleaning power, surface safety across across different wheel types, and decent value from a recognized brand, this checks the right box. The link is in the description. Now you know which cleaners actually dissolve brake dust without damaging your finishes, and which ones leave you scrubbing anyway. Prices on these shift without warning, so if one stood out, the links are in the description.